Hello and welcome back to Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. When it comes to beating and whisking, manual tools take an enormous amount of time and effort. This is where electric hand mixers come in and solve the problem of time and effort. We have with us today the Philips 300-watt hand mixer, and I'm excited to tell you about its features. Let's take a look. First look. The hand mixer comes in an attractive black body. You will find large eject button on the holding side to release beaters with just one touch. Lightweight, ergonomic design makes mixing comfortable and easy. Specification. The mixer has a cord clip. The cord wraps around and fixes into place with a clip for tidy storage. The power is 300 watts and the operating voltage is between 220 to 240 volts. This makes the mixer quite powerful. The mixer comes with two pairs of strip beaters and dowel hooks. A selection of 5 different speeds lets you choose just the right setting for every task. It has a 1.2 meter cord for longer reach. Performance. The hand mixer has smooth surfaces so that it is easy to clean. Also, all the accessories are stainless steel and dishwasher safe. The mixer is cone shaped, so it covers a larger surface area in less time and incorporates air into the batter for a smooth, fluffy texture. Beaters and dowel hooks attach easily with a click. Reason to buy? This Philips hand mixer comes with a powerful 300-watt motor that gives you good end results with the least effort when mixing or whisking. Plus, the 5 dedicated speed settings serve for a wide range of recipes. The hand mixer is extremely easy to handle and use. This is something every kitchen needs. So if you are thinking of getting one, you should totally get Philips 300-watt hand mixer. That's it for today. See you again with more product recommendations. Goodbye.